This video will show you how to easily download any voice messages that you have sent or received via Facebook Messenger. So as you may already know, Facebook Messenger doesn't allow you to download any voice messages. However, it's possible to do that. For that, you will need to use the link in the description or search for this download audio message for Messenger or Instagram extension. Once you have downloaded it, simply refresh your Messenger tab. So I'll just refresh my Messenger tab. Now go to the chat where you have the voice message that you want to download. So I want to download this particular voice message. Now all I have to do is click on this extensions menu. Now here I'll need to click on this download audio message extension that I just added, and it will automatically detect the voice message. Now I can play it from here. So I can simply click on this play icon to hear the voice message, or I can click on this download button and the message will be downloaded. So as you can see, the audio file is now downloaded and I can open it on my PC. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.